Hi, my name is Stephanie, and today I'm going to walk you guys through on how to launch a Linux virtual machine on Amazon Web Service. First thing you want to do is launch an Amazon EC2 instance. So here at this link, https://aws.com/getting-started/tutorials/launch a virtual machine. I'll put this link in the description, but first you want to go to that website, and then you'll get to this tutorial page. Then you follow the first step, which is to launch an Amazon EC2 instance. So once you're here, you just click this link, and you'll get a console, and then you click the Launch Instance button, and next it'll tell you to select Amazon Linux AMI. So that's this one. So you select that. And the T2.micro free tier eligible should automatically be selected. So that is the instance type. So next you click on, double check, review and launch here. Next it will say you can review the configuration, and when you're done reviewing it, you click the launch button right here. And you're going to want to create a new key pair, and it says to name it My Key Pair. And then it will download if you click the download key pair button. And this is your private key file, so it's really important that you keep this file somewhere safe. It's for public and private encryption. So after you have downloaded your .pem file, it says you go down the tutorial, and depending on if you use Mac or Linux or Windows, there'll be different instructions. First, you want to move the downloaded file to your SSH directory. So you copy this link, open your terminal, Alright, so you move it from your downloads folder to your SSH folder, and here it is here. So after you've stored the key pair, you can launch your instance and start your Linux instance. So go back here, launch instance. Alright, so you should get a success message saying your instance is now launching. So now go to down here in the bottom right, view instances. So it seems here that it takes a few minutes for your instance to start running. And when you're done, you copy the public IP address of your AWS instance so you can use it when we connect to the instance using SSH in step 3. So I'm going to pause while this is, oh, it looks like it's running. So here's my IP address right here. So now connect your instance. So after you've launched your instance, it's now time to connect using SSH. So I'm using a Mac. I'm going to go to the Mac instructions. It says open terminal window. And after you open your terminal window, you enter the chmod command. Um, and this will restrict permissions to your private key. And you only have to do this once. So now you're going to connect to your instance using SSH. Alright, so here, if you're using Mac or Linux, it has the command you have to enter here. So first you copy and paste the command, and you're going to want to put your IP address where it says IP address. So you can copy and paste that from here. Right, and so now you're in your instance, Amazon Linux AMI. All right, so step 4 is terminating your instance. If you don't use them, you should terminate your instance so you don't get charged for them. It's free tier eligible for 12 months, and then it's pay as you go. So if you're definitely not using this anymore, so your account doesn't get charged, you should terminate your instance. To do this, you go back to the console, and under actions, you can do instant state and terminate. So I terminated this one. Just went to actions, instant state, and terminate. And all right, so if you wanted to continue, you can go to the next step, and it's getting a domain for your instance. And that's pretty much how to set up an EC2 instance for a Linux virtual machine. Thank you for watching, and have fun coding. Bye.